Good morning, guys. Today's Friday. I just made my delivery of that forklift, which went inside of that bay. And this is the new truck. So this is a 2000 International Eagle, and it has a Detroit 60 series 12.7. Got a 10-speed in there. And she's looking all right. She needs a couple things, you know, nothing too crazy, but the body looks good. There's two small little damages, one right there. There's one on the other side, right in the back. But she has a lot of power, a lot of potential. I'm gonna have to remove this windbreaker in the back here. And I'm also gonna have to do something with the fifth wheel, because I have the extensions here. So for the extension to come out plus the vehicle overhang, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to extend that fifth wheel slider and put it back here more, because my loads are not that heavy for a tandem axle, right? So now I can actually have that fifth wheel sit right on top of this axle, so it's gonna act almost like a single axle. But yeah, this is the new bad boy we're working with. On the way down, I lost the exhaust, started to crack on me, so I removed it. That's why it's loud right now. It has a cracked windshield right there. So that's the other small damage right here. So yeah, the exhaust was starting to, to rust out. So I removed it mid-trip. Yeah, she's looking good. She has some good tires on there. Got some good tires. 250 gallons. So 125 on each side. Probably gonna throw some aluminum wheels on there. You know, change the bumper. Change the lighting, and for now, pretty much it. You know, put that mirror on there. Small little things, but nothing too crazy. She has no blow-by, so she's doing it right. She does have a high mileage, 1.2 million, but I have faith in old girl. Now I'm gonna go deliver. I'm in Tampa now, well, St. Petersburg. I'm gonna deliver these two in Fort Lauderdale. No, West Palm Beach, sorry. She has brand new batteries. Yeah, she needs some lighting. She needs a light there. These chicken lights are not working on the side. So a couple small, stupid things. But she's gonna work great with this truck. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the exhaust, because I do need every inch in the back here. So I'm gonna have to do, you know, something with the exhaust. Maybe just, you know, put it down. I forget what you call it, the leaf blower or whatever there's a term for that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with the exhaust though, but it can't be in the back there. It's gonna get in my way. And then I'll do a video on the inside. Right now I threw everything from my other truck inside this truck, and I had no time to organize it, because this broker was, you know, respectfully, they're being a little anal about me getting down here, and they were patient. You know, I made it down here, so whatever, it is what it is. I delivered. They're gonna be happy. The customer's extremely happy. So it is what it is, but we're here. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Time to get that money, collect these checks. Oh, and they did they did the steps really funky because the first step is inward. So when you try to step down, you know, you actually have to step in. So it's very annoying. But you know, small truck stuff that you have to fix, you know, here and there. I actually got my first automatic window here. Look at that. So this one's a manual. I don't know if this is how they come originally, but I think it is, because there's a button here that says right window right there. So my F450 has manual windows, my FL70 has manual windows. My International, what International is that? My other truck is I got a 98 International, what is it, 8100 or something? I forget what it is, 8700, I don't know. But that one has automatic windows. But I only drove that one for like 2 weeks, and then I parked it up. It's getting some custom work done to it. But yeah, guys, I gotta go deliver today's Friday. Monday is Valentine's Day. The boss wants me home, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna make that work. So I might have to leave my truck down here, park it up, take a flight back home. I don't usually do that, so we'll see what happens. You know, whatever the boss says, gotta make the boss happy. Nah, she's very good, guys. The boss always, you know, she's always super understanding. She did get a hotel. It's like a resort type, like an indoor park in Boston. It wasn't cheap, so I do want to make it back there for that. But yeah, I will keep you guys informed with how the truck is running. So far, so good. You know, her temps were pretty good. She was stuck around 180 the whole time. Oil pressure was, you know, pretty decent. So, like I said, no blow-by. So I'm pretty happy with the truck. Everything seems to be going good, and I got a lot of space in here. Like I said, right now it's a mess. So I'll try to do a whole interior video for you guys. But we got the bunk bed, and what I like about this truck is that everything is here. There's nothing missing. You know, for a cheap truck, you know, like all of these buttons are here. So for a cheap truck, you know, it is in very, very good condition. All right. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.